Hi, teacher. This is my presentation, interpolation and estimates in numerical analysis for me, Juan David Bustamante Foronda. Let's go. One moment. Okay. Exercise. Given the following table of values, values of x, values of y. 2 points. A. Perform linear and quadratic interpolation using this point. B. Calculate the estimate values of y for 8 equal 1.5 and 8 equal 2.5 using each interpolation polynomial. Development segmental linear interpolation. Each point on the GeoGebra Cartesian plane must be found in this way: point A, B, C, D. Development. Use the straight line function for points A to B. This is how I find the interpolation equation. This line function. This equation. Use the straight line function for the points from point B to C. This is how I find the interpolation equation. This line function, this equation. Use the straight line function for the points from point C to D. This is how I find the interpolation equation. D is a line function, this equation. In this way, we find that it is segmental linear interpolation science. Despite having all the points, they cannot be modeled on the same line. Uh, this line point A to B, B to C, C to D. This how our segmental interpolation is better represented. Lane F, lane G, lane H. Uh, to find the estimate value for y for x equal 1.5, we replace the value on the graph between point B and C, and thus we get the result. Answer for x equal 1.5, y equal 1. This point. To find the estimate value for y for x equal 2.5, we replace the value in the graph at point C and D, and thus we obtain the result answer for x 2.5 and y equal 4.5. This point. Development quadratic interpolation. To perform quadratic interpolation, the Office Excel tool is used since it allows use to calculate the data needed in a more practical way. Why? Therefore, fill in the data we have from the exercise in Excel. This table based on this data, a table has been generated from which we will obtain a scatter diagram which the Excel graphics tool makes easy to create. This diagram, these points. The line format that is needed is select. In this case, it is the polynomial, taking into account that it is the quadratic interpolation. Here, quadratic interpolation polynomial. In the Excel tool, we can also generate the equation and present an r square value in the graph. R square equal 0.6, and equation y equal x squared less 1.28 more 0.3. Considering that the r squared is not greater than 0.7, it is concluded that is not an acceptable or a reliable equation. Thank you, teacher. Bye.